Hello everyone! CRT TVs are unique for us gamers. After all, it's the way we all experienced those games back in the 90s. Nothing compares to the low latency, brightness, and visuals of these screens. But these TVs won't last forever, and companies are not producing those anymore either. I have an old CRT TV that still works to this day, and impressively it never went through any kind of repair. I still take some protective measures, like when I'm not using it, I cover the air exhaust to protect it from bugs and dust. And it's a simple TV, it has just an RF and AV inputs, but impressively it seems to have a slot for a SCART cable. It didn't come with a connector from the factory, but maybe I can mod it someday. But this video is not about this mod. When I was browsing the web, I found this product here. It's a Universal Motherboard for CRT TVs. And with this, you can theoretically restore any old CRT back into working condition. And I found this video from the channel GameinTec where he covers the installation of this board. But before you get happy and try to do this yourself, be careful because CRT TVs are kinda dangerous. If you don't know what you're doing, you can get a pretty strong electrical shock. With that said, the board seems to be well built. There's good heat dissipation for the components, and everything is brand new. You even have the buttons to operate the TV, infrared sensors for the remote control, and the AV connectors. In his video, he shows the installation process in an old TV and all the adaptations for the connections and audio. And as you can see, it works pretty well. You still have to do some adjustments for the language and adjust the screen position and geometry. And after everything is configured, your TV is working again. Just think about all of the TVs that can be restored with this board. With something like this, these TVs can now last a long time, and future generations of gamers can enjoy these games as they were meant to be. Anyway, that's it for this quick video. It's been a while since I did some different content in the channel, but that's because I ran out of ideas for projects and I didn't find anything interesting enough to share. If you have any suggestions of what you would like to see here in the channel, leave your opinion in the comments. And by the way, I'll leave the links for the original GameinTec video in the description. It's in Portuguese, but you can add the automatically translated subtitles by YouTube. Be sure to view his official video because it's very well made. And that's it for today. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.